This is Brian Hurd with Be Heard in Utah, and this is one of hundreds of videos in which I answer commonly asked questions about real estate in the state of Utah. And the question today is, what do I do with my tax statement? Kind of looks like this. So what is a tax statement? Basically, every year around the end of July, beginning of August, you're going to get a statement from the county assessor's office, and they're going to be giving you a notice of tax changes and a notice of property valuation. Basically, those two things is they're saying your property taxes were this much last year, and this is what we have proposed for your property taxes this next year. So sometimes that number is going to go up, right? The way that'll happen is that every month you're making a payment with your mortgage every month that's going into an escrow account paying for your property taxes. So the first thing you need to know is you do not need to write a check out when you get this. It's going to come out of an escrow account that's already set up with your home. Unless you own it cash, then you're going to need to pay this annually. The second part of this is talking about the notice of property valuation. So this is where people look at it, and people make a common mistake, is they'll look at it and say, man, this says my house is worth $200,000 and I think it's worth $250,000. I'm going to call up the county assessor and tell them that my house is worth more money. Bad idea. And here's why it's a bad idea. Because they will tax you more because their taxes are based on the property evaluation. The only reason you should ever want to dispute this, which you can dispute it during the month of August with the help of a real estate agent, and what we can do is we can help that if you think the evaluation is too high. So now that you've got this piece of paper, the only thing you really need to do ultimately is nothing if you're not planning on disputing any of your property taxes. In November, your mortgage servicer is going to send a check out to the county that's going to pay for your property, your annual property taxes for the year. So no need to worry, no need to fret. Be Heard in Utah, your trusted voice in Utah real estate.